Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is October 13th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. No trade recommendations here, guys, even if I'm calling out some numbers. It's just what I see and what I kind of expect in the market. All right, let's go ahead and maximize this quarterly chart and resize this. I know this thing has been acting funny. About right there is good enough, I think. All right, on this quarterly chart, we can see we're above a yearly R2 level. We are green. We closed near the top. We're still looking very bullish. We're looking like we want to hit that 600 number before the end of the year. That's what I see here. Let's go down here. Go ahead and go down to the monthly chart. What we see here, again, we got to, like I said, we got to close near the top this week, and all. We're still above the 9-10 moving average. Like we'll be opening above pivot, so I expect us to stay above pivot. And like I said, we definitely going to. I expect us to definitely get close to that 600 number if we don't cross that 600 number. Because like I was saying last week, despite when it's in a good bull run, it goes above an R1 level, and we're still below that R1 level. So I still expect us to cross that R1 level sometime before the end of the year. I'll just say it that way, although it may happen next week or this week. But let's just leave it at that. All right, but let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there on the weekly chart. Zoom in a little bit here. On the weekly chart, as you can see, we made a new high this week, and a very, very strong week at the end of the week. So I do see us going higher, and right now we're above again on these monthly pivots. We are above pivot, so I expect to go to at least an R1 level. It likes going to an R1 level, and also that's 85. That's only $5 away, so that's definitely not out of the picture. And will it cross that this week? We have to kind of like just wait and see. Kind of expect it, but just have to kind of like wait and see what happens there. And I expect it to go higher, on these monthly pivots. Again, if it gets close to an R2 level, that's what I want to see here. And we'll be approaching that 600 level maybe this month, just below it. Because as we can see, I just zoomed out a little bit right quick there on you. And a lot of times it doesn't get that high. But last month, it did just about get there. So come this month, it may just get there. So let's just see. That was on a weekly. These are weekly pivots on a daily chart. On the daily chart, as we can see here, let me go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we call this a right side candle at Right Side Trading. It's a piercing pattern, and all. But a lot of times when you see this in the right location coming off of a bottom, you do get a nice run like this. So again, an entry was provided for if that's how your strategy, that's where you look at your strategy, and you also cross these tops right here, and so it was off to the races, and that's it. That's all I really want to share this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. I hope the Right Side Traders out there who watch this can see what I just saw, and it was maybe your last chance to get long for the year, but no trade recommendation there. Just trade by your strategy and your plans. But this is Solomon. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope everybody is safe, and I'll speak to you next weekend. Have a good one. Bye.